Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the surreal and mind-blowing wonders of our planet. From glowing shores to pink lakes, here are 10 amazing things in nature that you won't believe actually exist. Number 1. The shores of Maldives. Picture this, a beach that glows in the dark. The shores of the Maldives are known for their bioluminescent phytoplankton, tiny microbes that light up the coastline like a starry sky. This natural phenomenon not only deters predators, but also attracts tourists from all over the world. Truly a mesmerizing sight to behold. Number 2. Trees cocooned in spiderwebs in Pakistan. In Sindh, Pakistan, floods forced millions of spiders to seek refuge in trees, weaving webs that cocoon entire trees. The result is a hauntingly beautiful, ghostly forest that you won't see anywhere else. Number 3. Frozen air bubbles in Canada. Abraham Lake in Canada is a spectacle of nature, where trapped methane gas forms beautiful frozen bubbles under the ice. These bubbles are trapped in time, creating an otherworldly landscape that draws photographers and nature lovers alike. Number 4. Volcanic lightning in Iceland. Also known as a dirty thunderstorm, volcanic lightning is a dramatic display of nature's fury. When volcanic ash and lightning collide in mid-air, it creates an electrifying exhibition that is both terrifying and awe-inspiring. Number 5. Lake Hillier in Australia. Imagine a lake that's bright pink. Lake Hillier is a striking pink lake, believed to get its color from high salt levels. This mysterious and captivating lake is a must-see for anyone visiting Australia. Number 6. The Cave of Crystals in Mexico. Home to the largest crystals in the world, this cave is a geologist's dream. The massive crystal formations are both beautiful and otherworldly, making it a top destination for scientists and adventurers. Number 7. The Salt Flats in Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, covering over 10,000 square kilometers. When it rains, the flats turn into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky and creating a breathtaking view that feels like walking on clouds. Number 8. Blood Falls in Antarctica. This eerie phenomenon is caused by oxidized iron in salt water, which gives the appearance of blood flowing down the ice. It's a chilling and mesmerizing sight, drawing scientists and tourists alike. Number 9. Rainbow eucalyptus trees in Hawaii. These trees are a natural work of art, with bark that peels away to reveal vibrant hues of green, red, orange, and purple. It's a stunning and unusual sight, adding a splash of color to Hawaii's rainforests. Number 10. The underground natural spring in Mexico. Known as a cenote, this natural spring is a deep pit filled with crystal clear water. Formed by the collapse of limestone bedrock, it's a perfect spot for diving and exploring the mysterious depths of the earth. The world is full of deep mysteries and marvels that have left us speechless for centuries. If you're lucky enough, make your way to some of these incredible wonders and experience the awe for yourself. Feeling inspired by nature? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.